use any moisturizer on your face. And then apply any foundation that is 2 shades lighter than your skin. Don't forget to cover your neck as well as your ears with the foundation. Now take compact and then set your foundation really well. Then you need to contour your face with the dark brown shade. I'm using the brown eyeshadow as a contour. You need to contour your cheekbones, your sides of your forehead, and even the bridge of your nose. Now I'm filling my eyebrows. This is optional. Now we need to apply an eyeshadow which is similar to your skin tone but 1 shade darker. On your crease. Then you need to apply any burgundy eyeshadow. Since I didn't have any burgundy shade, I am using a burgundy lipstick instead. Apply it all over your eyelid. Now take any black eyeliner and apply it all over your eyelids. See that the eyeliner is in a gel form and not liquid eyeliner, so that it's easy to smudge. You need to smudge it really well with the help of a black eyeshadow, just like how I'm doing it. Once you're done, take any eyeliner and do a wing. Then apply mascara. on the top eyelashes. Now you need to take the same burgundy shade and then apply it under your eyes and smudge it really well. Apply more if it's necessary and smudge it. Then take the same gel eyeliner, apply it on your waterline. And then smudge it really well so that it gives a smoky look. Now I'm using acrylic paint. To get the burgundy shade, I mixed red with dark blue. And then with the help of a thin paintbrush, I'm drawing veins. Just draw random veins. Dark on the top and lighter as you go down. And then apply some blue veins as well so that it looks more realistic. Now apply a mascara on the lower lashes. Now I'm using brown lip liner. And then I'm using a red lipstick. If you have a deep red lipstick, use it. Since I do not have, I'm mixing maroon and red shade together to get that shade. Then I'm applying the MAC Retro Matte Dance With Me. Then I added some acrylic paint like fake blood. This is the end result. If you like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.